Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I also thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, with close to 13,000 teachers employed by the ministry, it is important that we improve our services for our teachers. The Teachers Helpline has been developed to allow teachers to register their complaints and issues related to their employment or workplace. Mr. Speaker, sir, previously teachers raised their concerns and issues via phone calls, letters, emails, or by visiting headquarters. Mr. Speaker, sir, this platform was developed to improve customer service at the ministry. The Teacher Helpline was developed by the ministry's IT unit without any cost. Similar support system is used in Australia and New Zealand, where teachers can contact the ministry through online platforms. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Teacher Helpline portal was launched on the 22nd of February. Teachers access the helpline using the same credential they use to log into FEMIS. Using FEMIS portal ensures that the communication is kept confidential. Teachers can log onto the portal with a click of a button, even from the comfort of their homes, and choose from a drop-down menu to lodge their complaints. They can also upload evidence to support the issue on hand. Mr. Speaker, sir, through 3 simple steps, teachers can lodge their complaints. First, they can provide brief description of the concern, confirm that the information provided is correct, and finally, upload any document or evidence that the teacher feels is relevant to the issue. This portal is our commitment to the teachers to deal with teacher issues such as salaries, appointments, teaching loads, contracts, transfers, to name a few. We have also provided a mobile number to assist those teachers who are based in remote and maritime locations where connectivity can be an issue. Mr. Speaker, sir, with this platform, we can address issues better and provide feedback systematically. All feedbacks and concerns are tracked through a single channel, allowing teachers to check on the progress while allowing ministry to provide coordinated response. There is a dedicated team looking after Teacher Helpline. To date, we have already resolved more than 80 grievances, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, turnaround time to address the issue is 5 working days, but I'm happy to say that so far our team has been able to resolve and assist teachers well before 5 days. We are in the process of creating more awareness to assist teachers across the country to use Teacher Helpline, where teachers can track the progress of the complaint, and after the awareness raising, that would be the only portal where teachers can lodge their complaints, because we want to store all these complaints, because these complaints will provide feedback, and through this feedback we can improve our policies, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Fiji First government recognizes the importance of education in nation building. We do not only support educational needs of our students, but also empower teachers to raise their issues directly with the ministry. That's why Teacher Helpline was developed to handle teacher complaints in a professional manner. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.